Hey guys, welcome to another weekly gold XAU USD price prediction and analysis video. So as usually in this video, we are going to discuss important price levels for gold so that we can utilize those levels and we can use those levels for upcoming trading sessions. So we will going to analyze different scenario and different time frame, and we are also going to discuss the latest COT report. So we will start with this report first. So this is the latest COT report, and if you are following me in my recent prediction video, we generally discuss about the positions of managed money. So these are the managed money, or you can say the smart player, and this is a 3-month period chart. So this is the 3-month positions, or this data of 3 month. You can see the positions of managed money, and the blue one is the positions of long. What are their positions in long, and these are the positions in short. So if you check this on this graph, you can see that they continuously covering their long position from this week, and they continuously decreasing their long positions, and they are adding positions in the shorts. So you can read this time. This is the change in position right over here. This data, you can see this time they again pulled money from their long contract. This one right here is minus 2105 this time, and they are adding positions in the shorts. So this time they added 4259. So if you remember, we are continuously following this COT report, and uh, we have seen that every time whenever we see a good number in the COT, when they pull money from the long and when they add in the short, we have seen the reaction on the candlestick chart. And if we see this in previous week, this is the previous week chart, and if you look from here, this is the Monday trading session, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So overall we have seen a good decline, but there is a change. But overall the sentiment, or you can say the direction of price, was in downside, and we have seen that price managed to break down the important psychological level of 1900, but again rebound from this level and close near to this price level. So I mean to say that whenever there is a good change in COT number by managed money, when they change their position, that directly reflect on the candlestick chart. So this time the number clearly indicating that they are still not bullish on gold, because they are still covering their long and adding in the short. So we can say from this data that they are bearish on gold, and we can expect bearish movement on gold as per the COT data. But if we check this on price action, so let me check it on 4-hour time frame, and if we check it on this chart, this is 4-hour time frame, you can see that previously gold trading inside this descending channel like this, and after breakdown, one time here we have seen a false breakdown, then price recovered back, and then we again see a good decline after breakdown of this uh, descending channel. And this is the main price zone, this right over here. This lies around 1935 to 1938, this price area, because you can clearly see on candlestick chart, this price is a good support. Previously candle not closing below this zone, and again price tested this zone after breakdown again. So many times you can see price tested this zone. So this is a good resistance for now for gold on this time frame. And the recent structure that currently gold is following in the in the form of price action, you can clearly see that currently it is trading inside this structure, this right over here, this. So currently, after taking support near to this price level, 1893, 1892 price level, we have seen a good rejection. We already discussed this on Telegram channel that this price is currently acting as a good support zone, and we have seen a good rejection of price, and price managed to again trade in come back inside this descending channel. So as per the current formation in price action, we can expect further rise of price toward this level. So this is a good level that we can look for sell positions. As if we combine both COT report and price action, then this is a good zone for sell, I think. Also, let me show you another scenario on volume profile. So as per the volume profile, you can see that currently from this area around 1910 right over here, this is a good volume area level, and after this price managed to trade above this support zone, and we can expect further rise, and the next resistance is around this level. This is around 1925, and as per quarter theory, 1925 is a important price level, and we can expect that from current position we can expect a test toward that level, and that is not that far, and we can expect a test. And if price is managed to hold this level, then we can expect further rise, and the another resistance is this zone from here to here that we discussed right on this chart, this level. So these are the this level 1935 to 38. So this is the important resistance zone that we have to look for in upper side from the current price level. And if we check it on Fibonacci levels, so this is the highest price level and this is the low, and from here we have seen a good rejection, and now the another level is 1935 that I already discussed on price action. So this is a important price level. Roughly we can say it is around 1934 to 35. So we can expect further rise, and if price managed to break above this and if able to hold, then we can expect further rise. But if not, and if we see rejection, then we are going to look for sell entries only, because we have seen a good decline overall. So yes, correction is still there. There is a chance of correction from the current price level, because in daily, this is the daily chart, we have a good bullish candle, so further rise of price is possible. So we have to wait for a good rejection from the upper levels so that we can take sell entry safely, because overall the trend is still bearish. So to trade safer, we have to trade in the direction of trend, and we do not have to take risk in the side of bulls, because there is no clear confirmation of long term or swing term bullish scenario. We can take a buy only for scalping, I think, from this overall scenario on COT and on price action. And if we check the chart on DXY, this is the daily chart on DXY, you can see that currently we have a good rejection from this price zone over here. This was a good support. Previously you can see this was a good support zone. So from current price level, this is a good resistance, and we can expect further decline, and that can drive the price of gold. If we see a good decline from this area, then we can expect a good bullish move from the gold. So we have to wait how price react on those levels that we already discussed. So on intraday, what we have to look for, this is the 15-minute chart, and as per the price action, price is currently closed above the next day CPR. So this is the next day CPR. So if you want to take buy entry, I think you have to look for buy only above this area. And in the downside, we can consider 1910 right over this area. So below CPR, we are not going to look for buy, and above CPR, we are going to look for buy opportunity, and we will wait for the rejection from the higher price level to take sell entry. And if price in the Monday trading session, we have seen if price is able to break down, then we have to wait for the candle close below to CPR, and then we can take for sell opportunities. But as the daily candle is bullish, I think we can go with the first scenario. We have to look for buy only above CPR, and we have to trade accordingly. So this is the scenario on a lower time frame or on intraday time frame. And if we check the levels, important levels on open interest on gold future chart, you can see that from current close price, the next price level that we have to look for is 1925 as per quarter theory, and this is a good resistance. And above that, of course, 1950 is a good level of resistance, which is far away from the current price. So these are the levels, and in the bottom side, 1910 is a support, 1900 is also a good support because that is a psychological level. And if we talk about the important fundamental data that can derive the price of gold, is on Monday we have important data of ISM manufacturing PMI, and if we look in ahead of the day, Tuesday we have no data. Wednesday we have important FOMC minutes, so we can expect some range after Monday. Like Tuesday we can expect range, and in Wednesday we can expect a good volatile session because we have FOMC minutes. This is the important data, and after Monday we have this ADP non-farm employment change. This is on Thursday, and initial jobless claim, this is also on Thursday. Service PMI also on Thursday. ISM non-manufacturing PMI Thursday. JOLTS job openings Thursday. So these are the important or high impact data in Thursday. So, and in Friday, average hourly earnings, this is also a good important data. Non-farm payroll also on Friday. So we have also unemployment rates on Friday. So as you can see, we have a loads of data in next week. So we have to look for these data also, including price action. So we are going to discuss these levels and the scenario in live training session in Telegram channel. So see you there. Thank you.